So here's a Milwaukee Road twin spin for you this evening. We got the Little Joe that I just finished. I've got pantographs on it. It's got its own pantographs now. They don't slide around. They are removable so that I can get to the motor mount screws. And I also have my E7s, my Marx units in Milwaukee Road livery. Got a Milwaukee Road caboose at the end of that train that was made by K-Line, but is pressed out of a Marx mold, and I put Marx trucks on it. So we'll take them for a spin. Okay, both units are running, looking great. Thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.